friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn another spelling rule. When the letter O and R join together, it makes two sounds. First sound is R and second sound is OR, just like phonic sound or. In this video we will learn when the letter OR gives us R sound or sound in a word. Always remember, whenever OR come just after W, we will say R. Let's look some examples. W, R, T, word. W, R, K, work. W, R, T, word. Here, is silent. W, R, Th, worth. Worse, worse. Warm. So always remember, whenever OR comes just after W, we will say R, just like R. So rule number 2 is, whenever OR comes after any other letter rather than W, we will say OR, just like phonic sound or. Let's look some examples with me. F, or, for. F, or, forest. F, or, for, got, forgot. K, or, corn. St, or, storm. H, or, horn. So always remember this rule, whenever OR comes just after W, we will sound like R. We will not say or, we will just say R. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.